Our goal today is this in here. Let's get started. Okay, so now this is a new unit that we just finished. These lights are so bright. You gotta take it easy on those. Actually hurts to look into them, and the camera. You can see that. Anyways, so my plan was to actually mount this underneath this unit. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one of these anymore. They were out of stock, and there's no indication of when they were going to be back in stock. So I had to look for another solution, which was this one. It was the closest one. It's 2 inches longer, or deeper I should say, and it really shows because I don't have room to fasten it. I tried putting it against the back as much as possible, but due to those other cables in the back and the power cable sticking out and the Ethernet cable, my rack is not quite deep enough for that. So that was just a bad combo. But so I'm gonna leave it on the bottom here. The window, the door still closes. It's just right behind there, so just a little bit of a miscalculation. But other than that, it works. Power button, everything works. HDD light works. I did order some fans in, so then we'll put 2 fans here, and for the other unit, I also ordered 2 fans for the front, so those are going to go in once they come in. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope to see you in the next one.